Gabion plant stands have become increasingly popular as creative and stylish additions to both indoor and outdoor spaces. These unique structures combine the practicality of traditional plant stands with the aesthetic appeal and versatility of Gabion walls. In this video, we will explore more deeply about Gabion plant stands and how they can elevate your gardening experience and add a touch of elegance to your surroundings. We will also give you some of best collection of Gabion plant stand design ideas. Hope it will be useful information for you. Gabion plant stands are plant display structures that incorporate Gabion elements. They typically consist of wire mesh containers filled with stones or pebbles, arranged in a columnar or rectangular shape. The wire mesh containers provide stability, while the stones or pebbles create a visually striking backdrop for showcasing plants. Gabion plant stands offer an innovative way to elevate your plants, create focal points, and add texture and depth to your garden, balcony, or interior space. Constructing a Gabion plant stand involves assembling the wire mesh containers and securely connecting them to create the desired shape. The containers can be made of galvanized steel or other corrosion-resistant materials. They are filled with stones or pebbles, carefully compacted to ensure stability and a visually appealing arrangement. One of the exciting aspects of Gabion plant stands is the ability to customize their design. The choice of stones or pebbles allows for a range of color schemes, textures, and sizes to match your personal style and complement your existing decor. You can experiment with different types of stones, such as river rocks, granite, or even glass pebbles, to achieve the desired aesthetic effect. Gabion plant stands can be designed in various shapes, including cylindrical, rectangular, or even tiered configurations. They can be standalone structures or integrated into existing garden features. With careful planning and creativity, you can create visually stunning arrangements, combining different plant species, colors, and heights to create a captivating display. Gabion plant stands offer several benefits beyond their aesthetic appeal. The wire mesh containers provide excellent support and stability for potted plants, ensuring they remain secure and upright. The stones or pebbles used as fillings allow for proper drainage, preventing waterlogging and promoting healthy plant growth. Furthermore, Gabion plant stands promote air circulation around the plant roots, preventing root rot and enhancing overall plant health. The stone-filled containers also act as a natural insulator, protecting plants from extreme temperatures and reducing water evaporation. Additionally, Gabion plant stands are durable, weather-resistant, and require minimal maintenance. The materials used in their construction are typically long-lasting and can withstand outdoor conditions. Gabion plant stands offer a unique and visually appealing way to display your plants while adding a touch of design and creativity to your space. Embrace the fusion of nature and design with these versatile structures.